4 things you can expect once you're booked. So, you've gotten a callback and were chosen for a role in a new project. This is an exciting time. For the moment, you can catch your breath and enjoy the win. Then it's time to prepare for the next steps. Here's what you can expect once you've been booked. Here is the first thing you can expect once you're booked. Clear your schedule once you've landed a part because things are about to get busy. You'll be expected to be available for all shoot days and for as many hours as it takes to complete the part. Usually you'll have a general schedule to follow, but this may be subject to change. In some cases, you'll be asked to show up wherever needed at the last minute's notice. In other cases, details may be vague or not fully disclosed ahead of time, so just remember to stay prepared and be available whenever you're needed. Here is the second thing you can expect once you're booked. The next thing you can expect once you're booked is to have a few days or months without much of a personal life. After all, hard work comes with sacrifice. As you're preparing to do your best for everything that's expected of you, it can become a challenge and often a distraction to hang out with anyone who is not on the production team. This goes hand in hand with having to clear your schedule. Make those initial phone calls to friends and family and fill them in on what you'll be doing. It's important to stay connected, but you also are going to want to focus your full attention towards doing your best in the role you've landed. Here's the third thing you can expect once you're booked. When you're on set for a project, your average day will typically be very long. You may be required to show up first thing in the morning, perhaps even before sunrise, and expected to stay well past dark. This, of course, all depends on how quickly everything you are required to do is completed. This is more common for projects that are on a shorter term. Often, if it's going to be months before a shoot wraps, they have the ability to pace this more reasonably. On the other hand, if a project must be completed within a shorter number of days, expect these days to be long ones. Once you get the necessary credits under your belt and are able to become a part of a union, the crew is then required to go easier on these demands. Until then, anything is fair game, so prepare yourself for long working. Here's the fourth thing you can expect once you're booked. It's important for you to follow any and all instructions given to you once you're booked, whether you receive these in advance or an hour before you're expected to show up on set. It's best to stay on top of your emails and always make sure your phone ringer is on in case you get important updates. Always show up on time and ready to work. If you were given a specific wardrobe to wear, wear it. If you were given instructions about your hair and makeup, follow these. If you always do what is asked of you, the project will be completed smoothly and successfully. These are just a few of the things you can expect once you get booked. The bottom line is, you'll need to be ready and willing to go the extra mile to show you're serious about your desires to succeed in the entertainment industry. You've made it this far, so keep showing up for yourself and the other people on set. And you'll lend a hand in making whatever project you've booked be as successful as possible. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.